The King is the Lord of the Sabbath, proving that God's heart is always for mercy over religious ritual. He restores the withered and challenges the proud by his sovereign spiritual authority. The word is a seed, and your heart is the ground. Cultivate the good soil through a renewal of the mind, ensuring that the fruit of the kingdom grows 100-fold in your life this season. The kingdom is the ultimate treasure worth everything you possess. When you find the pearl of great price, the joy of the discovery makes every sacrifice feel like an incredible bargain. In the shadow of loss and the sorrow of persecution, the King remains resolute. Even when the world takes its worst shot, the mission of the kingdom continues with unwavering divine purpose. Your lack is the platform for his multiplication. In the hands of the Master, 5 loaves become an endless feast. Trust the bread of life to satisfy every hunger and every need you face today. Do not fear the storm. The Master of the sea is walking toward you. When you step out in faith and begin to sink, his hand is already there to catch you and bring you into a supernatural peace. Religious tradition means nothing if the heart is far from God. True righteousness is an internal flame, not an external wash. Let the word penetrate your soul and transform you from within. Persistent faith moves the heart of the Savior. Even when it feels like you are an outsider, your humble boldness can unlock the miraculous. Great faith refuses to leave without a blessing. He is the God of the second feast and the second chance. With 7 loaves, he satisfies thousands once more. He never grows weary of providing for his people with abundant kingdom surplus.